Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me get you. Oh, you want to fight back? Come here. Let me. Come here. I'm just going to get you. You're okay.
Welcome to Living Life Barefoot. Stay to the very end and we'll let you know what we named her.
Farmstead is very sketchy. It's mostly me just like.
You think that's sketchy?
Oh, look out!
So if you watch one of our previous videos when we were talking about our hen, our lonely hen that we have, we showed you that she likes to perch at night in our new shed that is very open and lots of wind blows through there. We are wanting to keep her sheltered this winter, and so we have this shed that we built, how many years ago?
I think we built it about 8 years ago. It's 12 foot by 16 foot. And we built it out of slab wood that we get from the Amish sawmill locally. So we built it for very cheap. A couple $100 is all we got in it at the most.
We originally built it when we had our goats.
Yeah.
Remember that? We had our first baby goats in this shed.
Speaking of the hen, she's right there.
We want to keep her protected this winter, and we're going to introduce her to a little new perch area that she can stay in at night and hopefully keep a little warmer than what she would be in that new shed until we can get all that situated. So we're probably going to have to train her because she's used to being over there. So every evening when we feed her, I think we're going to bring her out here.
Yeah.
And show her this and introduce this to her for a couple weeks maybe. We'll see how long it takes. So we're going to go ahead and get this set up for her.
You want to screw this up?
Sure.
Okay. Here's another one, Gav. Put another one just down a ways. Because if I know the sheep, they're going to be rubbing on this and getting rough with it. So.
Alright guys, so we're going to take her, I'm not going to tell you the name yet, out to the shed, or the barn, house, I don't know what to call it. I'm going to put her on this little thing here.
We're going to show it to her, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh,
See
Ralphie.
if she likes it.
Ralphie wants to join.
There you go.
Did she say thank you?
You stay up there.
No, come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'll put you down here.
She likes to be high. She's usually as tall as that shed.
Put you up there. How about that? Like that better? Don't peck me. Okay.
Think she likes it?
You're okay. You're okay. Okay. Ow. Your claws are sharp, miss. Oh, parkour. I hear bear. Cool. Try to jump through this.
So we're about 1 month away from using that shelter. They're trapping all those sheep in there, and 6 of them are going to be going to the butcher. So stay tuned for that if you want to see some really interesting content of us wrangling sheep. And we built a cage that we put in the bed of our truck, so we'll haul 6 of those sheep off to the butcher. It'll be an interesting day.
It's usually, it goes good, and then one gets out, and then...
Somehow she
Oh
was...
no. Cat Bear just came into the pasture and Ralph does not like cats.
Does not like cats.
If he would have seen that cat, it would have been a bad day.
Yeah. And somehow when they get out, she somehow lured them back in there.
Yeah, last time we did it, one of them got out, and she just opened the door and it walked right back in.
Who did that?
You.
Me?
Yeah, he
I don't
opened the
remember.
door and it just walked
Oh
right back in.
yeah. We also have about 5
Yeah, 5 lambs.
mamas getting ready to have babies, so make sure we share that with you because it's always a sweet day, isn't it? Seeing those little babies.
Somebody will be loving on them.
And Ralph, yes, Ralph loves to protect the mamas and the babies.
Yep.
Yeah.
He's usually with the baby. There was one time we came out here, and there's a hay bale down there, and the babies were like all snuggled up with Ralph, so.
So sweet. So let's just talk a little bit about some of the farm stories that we've had over the years, including the shed.
One of my favorite things,
You
when we
sit
had
right
our
there.
goats, one of the names was Camo, and if you like duck your head down, he'll headbutt you, so I always came out here.
The baby goats
Play with
were
him.
so fun.
Yeah.
They were
We really
hop
missed
around.
we really missed them, so maybe in the future we'll get some more goats just for the entertainment.
They're definitely entertaining.
We ended up getting rid of them because we didn't have the proper fencing up and they kept getting out, and I'm sure you guys know if you have goats that once they get out and they know how to get out that they never stay in the fence. So they were tearing up our landscaping and all of that, so it was time for them to go, and then that's when we actually started raising sheep.
Yeah.
They've been much easier than the goats.
Yes, yeah, when raising sheep is really easy if you're interested in, raising some meat for your family.
What about that one time that hunting dog came in?
Oh yes, Ralph is usually really good keeping all predators out of the fence.
Yeah.
There was one time that there was a hunting dog that got inside the fence.
And Ralph was fine when she was out here. It was just me and her.
Okay.
Yeah. So you said, come here, because the hunting dog was out here.
Yep.
And we go out here, start petting it. Somehow Ralph would let us. And then
They came and got me, and I came out here, and she went to the greenhouse, and it was just me and Dylan out here.
And the hunting dog and Ralph. And at that point, when I had left, Ralph was not feeling good about the boys being in here with that dog, and so he definitely ran that dog off very quickly. He was very protective when Mama left. He knew it was his turn to take over.
So we're gonna bring her out there every night so she can get used to it. And since you guys stayed at the very end, I'm gonna tell you her name. We decided to go with Penelope.
Let us know in the comments if you like her name.
Remember to like and subscribe to our channel.